Selling mobile homes is much different than selling real estate. Mobile homes in leased land communities are considered personal property. The loans are different. Make sure you hire a manufactured housing expert who understands your park rules and regulations, mobile home residency law, and Title 25. Now let's get started on our 10-step process to saving you time and money when selling your mobile home. The first step to selling your mobile home is the market evaluation. Whether you're hiring an MH expert or selling the home yourself, you want to make sure you understand the value. Your MH expert should be able to walk you through the process so you understand how they came up with their suggested sales price. The second step to selling your mobile home is to put your home on the market. You do not need to hire a real estate agent, but we do recommend that you speak to an MH expert before putting your home on the market. The third step to selling your mobile home is to market your home for sale. Yes, the MLS is a great tool. However, if you're selling a mobile home in a leased land community, there are better resources. Contact one of our MH experts today if you're interested in learning more about marketing your mobile home for sale. The fourth step to selling your mobile home is the intent to sell. Most parks require an intent to sell. If you have questions, make sure you ask your MH expert what an intent to sell is. Step number 5, qualify your prospects. Make sure you accept an offer from somebody who is already pre-qualified for a loan or can show proof of funds. This will save you time and money. Now that you've qualified all of your prospects, you'll receive many offers and you'll accept one. Step 7, open escrow. We recommend all sellers go through escrow, which is a third neutral party, when selling your mobile home. The 8th step to selling your mobile home is to sign all purchase and escrow documents that have not been signed yet. Your MH expert will walk you through the process to signing all your purchase and escrow documents. After buyer and seller have signed all the escrow docs, the 9th step is to have the buyer put all the funds into escrow. If the buyer is getting a loan, the lender will automatically put those funds in escrow. Once escrow receives the funds, you're ready for the 10th and final step, which is to close escrow. Sellers have saved thousands of dollars after watching our 10-step process to selling their mobile home. If you have any questions or want to speak to one of our MH experts, call us today, 866-720-2207.